Hey guys, welcome back to Black Matrix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to see or view your followers on Facebook. Let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to your profile. You can click your profile picture here or you can go to the menu. Now, click or tap your name or your profile picture. Now here we are in the profile page and you should see this 3-dot icon here and click that. Next, select the activity log. Now find the connections section and go to the followers section. And now select people who followed you. In this page, you can see your followers, but in my case, I don't have any followers, so this page is empty. So that's it. That's how to view your followers on Facebook. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you.